Hello, I'm Brian Brandis, Senior Vice President of Product Development. Today I'm presenting our exciting new under-cabinet product, CounterQUICK Smart, featuring STARFISH Wi-Fi technology. Our new smart product is built on the same platform as our color-selectable CounterQUICK under-cabinet lighting system. CounterQUICK was designed with ease of installation in mind and is available in multiple sizes to fit existing and new construction applications. Features such as large, easily accessible wiring compartments, captive mounting screws at either end for rapid installation of many fixtures, numerous knockout locations for flexibility with different installation scenarios, and a remote junction box and cable are available when the fixture is required to be located away from the power supply. The CounterQUICK system also provides an inline connector to create continuous, uninterrupted light sources, as well as several lengths of flexible cable connectors to make turns or go around obstacles. CounterQUICK Smart, featuring STARFISH, utilizes the same ingenuity as the standard CounterQUICK and adds so much more. Our new smart version has been upgraded to an RGB TW LED light source. Select from millions of colors and thousands of whites via the STARFISH app. We went further to add high 90+ CRI to the LED light source. Two white LED packages provide wide range of white color, extremely high brightness, and excellent color rendition. CounterQUICK Smart can be controlled via the app on a phone or a tablet and integrates with multiple ecosystems including Alexa, Hey Google, and SmartThings. CounterQUICK Smart was designed to fit into your established smart home. Schedules, scenes, effects, and more are all possible with the STARFISH app. You can even have the lights synchronized with the music for fun during a party. Kitchens are no longer rooms hidden in the back corner of homes. They are the central figure in modern home design. CounterQUICK Smart provides the everyday functionality needed in kitchen under-cabinet lighting systems with the added value of selecting the perfect white or adding some color when you want it for an effect. You also get the added bonus of smart Wi-Fi control from anywhere in the world. No hub required. Just download the app, connect to your Wi-Fi network, and you'll be set to take control of your new CounterQUICK Smart under-cabinet lighting system.